Goyard Good Graces. Goyard Grabbing, Gabbing, and Gushing. I got a limited edition bag here, 1 of 1. Goyard. Oops. Oops, I did it again. Goyard unboxing. You guys, I think I'm finally out of the doghouse. I think I'm finally good. I think Goyard and I have... So, I might stop talking and sharing stuff about them, and I might just be doing unboxings and reviews, and no more like secret stuff / no more pricing and stuff. So, sorry. Because they finally like me again. They offered me this limited edition bag, 1 of 1. I'm very excited about it. I'm going to show it to you guys at the end. We're going to do a quick unboxing.
We heard you laughing, so we keep running into being a movie. We keep running. Oopsie.
Andrew came to visit. Do you want me to put you in?
Yeah, Maxine.
Okay, so let's get right into it. Okay, so yeah, anyway, I got a limited edition 1 of 1 that I'm very excited about from Goyard that the designer made himself, and I got to actually meet the designer, which so cool, so exciting. I'll do that in another story. I think I like this like unboxing and just unboxing kind of thing, and then talking in another video. So we'll just do the unboxing for this one, and then we'll do the talking in the next one, if that's okay. If you guys want to hear the talking, let me know in the comments below. I can tell you the story of my how Goyard and everything like that, and how I feel, and meeting the designer. I can do that in a separate video. Anyway, okay, so hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm a fashion freak, a luxury lover, shopaholic, and today we're doing a quick Goyard unboxing from Paris. My Goyard haul from Paris. Goyard grabbing, gabbing, and gushing. Back in Goyard's graces. Back in Goyard's good graces. Goyard grabbing, gabbing, and gushing because I'm in Goyard's good graces. Again. Okay, I Goyard Paris haul. Everything I got. So if that's something you're interested in, please stick around. Please hit the like button, please subscribe, and keep on watching. Okay, this is my stuff plus Andrew's stuff. So Andrew we both went back to get monogramming, pick up our monogrammings, which I think I did in the other video, the Paris day 1 minute. But so this was mine. I got my red Saint Pierre wallet monogrammed. Orlando Bloom. And I'm using it now. My burgundy one. Bye-bye. This is my everyday wallet for now until maybe I get that. I do want the Saint Michel one, but I have to hold on. I have to wait. But I'm really excited. I keep it wrapped in this thing just to protect it because I'm weird and and you guys know that. And I like all my stuff to look really nice. But it's great. I love it. I got it. I had it monogrammed last year when I went to Paris in November, and it took a month, and it was ready within a month, but I didn't go back until now, so now I got it. And then my friend got his monogram thing, which is in the other video too. It's a Senat, and then he also got this, which I'll unbox right now because I almost got this same thing. I saw it in gold. They had it in gold on display, and anyway, so my friend got this. I love how they put it in like 2 little boxes like these. How cute is this? We went twice. Once to pick up everything, and the second time we went to shop. So this is the second. So the first haul was from picking up. Second haul was shop. Saw this. I saw it in gold. They had it in gold, but I didn't end up getting it. But my friend got this one. So I think it's so cute because they put it in 2 little boxes like this. A little excessive, but this probably gives it away. But this is the strap. So it's like this little Y strap in tan. And then this is the clutch / bag / goes inside. Took me on crossbody. It is the Monogramming trunk bag. So nice. It has gold hardware, which they don't do often. I think they only do on certain trunk things, and they're gold item, and when it's in gold. But this did come in gold. I tried it on in gold, and it was really nice. I'm kind of regretting that I didn't get it now because I keep looking at this, and I'm gonna steal it from you. But it's really the leather lining inside. It's like instead of the cotton lining they usually have, it's leather. It's very nice. You can wear it as a clutch. You can put it in that and wear it crossbody or shoulder. It doesn't fit a lot. I don't think it fits a phone. Actually, I'm pretty sure it doesn't fit a phone. But it's small and cute, and they had it in gold. Anyway, I'll go back and get it because everything's fine. And then they have this little maker's mark in here that tells you the maker and when it was made and everything like that, and like the signature of the artiste, I think. I don't know. Kind of nice. And then it's got, gold accents everywhere, which they don't do that often. And they also, this only comes in 5 colors now, 6 colors including gold. It used to come in all 11, but now it only comes in 5, the 5 masculines plus gold, FYI. If you check their website, it shows you that. But I think it's really nice, and I'm definitely gonna borrow it / steal it. And the only problem I don't like about it is that when you put it in here, you can't actually open it. So when you're using it as a crossbody or like when you wear it, and that was my one hesitation anyway, but my friend was like, Andrew was like, he didn't care. So this is like the thing, it's like got a little base, the Y, which I really like, and then the strap. So, but when you put it in, it looks really good in like that. But you cannot actually open it and get into it because it won't open. So it's very secure and safe, but if you want to actually get something out of it, you have to take it out of the little thing. And that's what it looks like that. I like it. It's mine now. Andrew just busted in, obviously, because he knows I'm unboxing this. Okay, then I got, these stuffs are boring, so I'm just gonna skip through them really quickly. I got one of these, another Artois, for my cuz. Here you go, cuz. Great. This is going to India next month, so coming to you. You know. And then I got one of these because this is the price, the same price. It's a little more, but it's about the same price as what I got them on StockX. So I got one more because I was like, why not? And I was just like, I was like, why not? And yeah, it's like a little, which I'm actually gonna wear this today. So I'm very excited because this is going to be worn right now. So let's get it all. Okay, so I'm gonna use this actually today. So I think it'll go really great with my outfit. I think it'll just really casual black. Like, can't go wrong with a little black bag. Strap, and get all my essentials in. I don't want to carry anything big today. I'm going to dinner tonight with an old family friend, so I might switch out for like I know this can be worn as a clutch, but I don't think it's actually very cute as a clutch, no offense. So I will switch it out for one of my Kelly to goes. I will switch it out for my Kelly to go for Din Din. Actually, I'm gonna switch it out for Andrew's Kelly to go for Din Din. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Tell Andrew. Okay, anyway, I know this is supposed to be quick. Okay, we're gonna speed this up. Speeding it up. Okay, this is for today. Great! Okay, and then the last thing I got, which is the limited edition thing, which is really exciting because I got to actually meet the designer who designed it, which is the designer for Goyard. I got to meet the actual designer that designed this, and he's the designer for Goyard, and he's Indian, which made me really happy, and I'm like literally feel so lucky that I got to meet him, Todd. Just, it actually made me really excited and really full, and like just like that if I wanted to ever pursue a career in this, which I kind of do want to kind of get into fashion, I don't really know how to, but to see somebody like that designing for that brand for that long and being successful, I think he's been there for 13 years, and he's their designer, like their head designer that designs everything, is Indian, and I think he's gay. I'm pretty sure he's gay, Indian and gay. And maybe I shouldn't be putting him on blast, so I'm not gonna say his name, but I got to meet him and it was amazing, and I felt like I was like, oh, this is so cool. Like, and it's never too late to change your career. It's never too late to try new things. So I mean, I don't know how I'm gonna get into it, but I felt really lucky, and I got to meet him, and I got to talk to him for a little bit and connect. So maybe next time I will ask him for coffee or something when I go to Paris and see if I can ever, if this is something I want to pursue. Anyway, so I asked for this bag because I wanted this bag because it's their like, I don't have this bag. It's the bag, this is the bag I do not have. Never gotten, never seen actually in person. And they're always sold out of it. And for the time while I was in the doghouse for so long, I didn't actually, the doghouse is actually quite appropriate for being in the doghouse. I didn't actually go in the store and see these. So for so long I haven't been in the US. In France I have, but like they didn't have this last time, I think, or I didn't ask for it last time. Anyway, I saw it this time, I asked for it, and found out it was a one of one. The designer designed it like one of one. It's a special marquage. It's different. It's not everyone's taste, but I really liked it because I love animals, and it's called Les Amis des Animaux or something like that. And I'm just gonna stop talking and pick it up because, okay, so I wanted the bag, and I thought this was cool, and also the designer's right there, and I was like, I have to buy it in front of him. So I got it, and it is a boheme in black with this little special marquage, which I guess is one of one. And it's got all these dogs, and it's got 2 dogs, doghouse, animal, and it's got the rose gold, which I thought was really cool, and then it's got the gold lining here, I think. So like something like this would anyway normally cost a lot because gold is double the price, and I think these kind of marquages cost like $500, $600, $700. So in full disclosure, am I disclosing prices anymore? The bag The marquage was almost as expensive as the bag. I'll say that. But I don't care because I guess this would have been the price in the US anyway, minus the marquage. And I thought it was really cool. And it's like one of one, and it's like no one else can have this. To be fair, like no one else has anything that you special limited edition marquage, right? This is no one else has this unless they copy it exactly. But this is something that was specifically made only one of, and I thought that was really cool. And I love animals, and I wanted this bag, and it's a very big, spacious bag. It's basically like a mix between an Artois. I mean, I'll just take this today. No, I won't. This is too big. It's like an Artois and a Saint Louis had a little baby with a thicker shoulder strap. Yeah, thicker shoulder strap. I think it's bigger than the. I'll do a size comparison in a different video of this to Saint Louis, but I think it looks like it's bigger. Yeah, it's bigger than the Artois, so it's probably the same size as the Saint Louis PM, and it's got a strap and a zip, and it still has this dude inside. I wish this would have had a little marquage on it too. That would have been nice. 2024. Okay. Anyway, yay. Okay, so that's my exciting new thing. That's everything I got. Yeah. Goyard. 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 Goyard Guru, Goyard Gang, Goyard Guys, Goyard Gays, Goyard Girls, Goyard Key. Here for you, but maybe no longer here for you. But I love you. Okay, that's all I got. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. Please smash the like button. Please share with your friends and family. If you hated it, share with your enemy next. I know your time is valuable. I know your time is precious. So I appreciate you spending your time here with me. I will see you in the next one, baby.